Did you know that 12 to 13 American couples out of 100 struggle with infertility? Infertility is a prevalent issue that is rising quickly. Men are the cause of infertility in about 1/3 of instances. Fertility is not the only factor to consider when trying to conceive. Men also have a part in procreating. Ultimately, it takes two to tally one item. Male infertility can be improved and treated. We'll tell you how to increase your fertility in today's video. From staying away from heat, quitting drinking, using natural sunscreen, increasing your fruit intake to managing your stress levels, and many more. Watch till the end to find out all of them. Number 1. Get enough sleep. More males than those who reported having healthy amounts of sleep and being of average weight suffered from low testosterone levels, obesity, sleep apnea, and low sperm count, according to recently performed studies. These guys also reported experiencing sleep disruptions. The amount of quality sleep a man receives each night has an impact on his testosterone levels, according to a review of studies on sleep deprivation and male infertility. Number 2. Quit smoking. A decrease in sperm production is one of the several harmful effects of smoking. Increased smoking is linked to aberrant sperm, a decreased sperm count, and a decrease in motile sperm production, according to scientific research. This also includes abusing substances like marijuana and other illicit narcotics, as well as smoking shish kebab. It can be in your nature to defend and refute this behavior by pointing out that your fathers and ancestors smoked and yet had a large family. However, the truth still stands that no two people respond to poisons in the same way, and that earlier generations weren't exposed to the same amount of toxins as you are now. Additionally, there is enough data to suggest that males who smoke heavily experience erectile problems. Number 3. Choose your fluids carefully. It has been observed that lemon accelerated the liver's estrogen elimination process. Since this hormone is usually linked to female fertility, many men are unaware that they possess it. Overly high estrogen levels in men can interfere with conception. As part of your morning ritual, include a lemon drink to help with fertility. As soon as you get up, try squeezing half a lemon into some hot water. Likewise, it has been claimed that ginseng tea increases sperm motility. Motile sperm are essential to male fertility because they can pass through the cervix and enter the uterus to fertilize the egg. Number 4. Increase your fruits intake. Vitamin C, carotenoids, and other phytochemicals found in fruits and vegetables are excellent for enhancing fertility. Furthermore, it is believed that the antioxidants in fruit and vegetables enhance the quality of sperm. Antioxidant-rich foods like tomatoes, blueberries, and pomegranates can help while attempting to conceive. In particular, pomegranates assist in maintaining healthy sperm and increase libido. Number 5. Give up drinking. Men should also drink in moderation or stop smoking entirely when attempting to conceive, as women should be cautious of their alcohol and cigarette intake as well. There is disagreement over the recommended alcohol intake during the infertility process. Drinking alcohol regularly can harm sperm quality, shape, and motility by impairing the liver's ability to correctly metabolize vitamin A, which is necessary for sperm formation. Furthermore, research has shown that drinking alcohol might lead to issues with your testicles. Men who wish to start a family don't have to abstain from alcohol entirely, although it would be wise to cut back and steer clear of binge or frequent drinking. Number 6. Exercise regularly. Regularly going to the gym can increase your sperm count in addition to being excellent for your general health. Men who engaged in moderate to vigorous movement for at least 15 hours per week had sperm concentrations that were 73% higher than those of men who moved for fewer than 5 hours per week, according to the study. Furthermore, sperm concentration was 44% lower in couch potatoes, who watched over 20 hours of TV per week, than in males who watched nothing at all. Any workout that causes perspiration is fantastic, but resistance training is even better. Exercise with weights can raise your testosterone levels and, as a bonus, help you concentrate more sperm. As we get to the end of today's video, keep in mind that improving male fertility is a comprehensive process that calls for dietary adjustments, lifestyle modifications, and a dedication to general well-being. Incorporating these natural wonders into your life will help you become a better and happier version of yourself in addition to improving your fertility. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with anybody you think could find it useful if you found this material useful. We appreciate your participation today and hope to see you in the upcoming video. Be careful and maintain your health.